Retail Day in the Life with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams secured by Microsoft. Enterprise mobility and security empowers the world's frontline workforce with the tools they need to stay connected and be productive. Fabricam, a fashion retailer, provides its frontline workers with shared devices. When a new Intune managed device arrives at the store, finishing setup is as easy as scanning a QR code to put it into Azure Active Directory shared mode. With just a few clicks, the device is securely configured and ready for use. Sarah Perez is a frontline worker in Fabricam's women's department. When she arrives at work, she picks up a shared device and starts her day from the managed home screen. Signing in is as easy as any consumer app, but backed with the trusted security of Azure Active Directory and Intune. Sarah simply enters her phone number and receives an SMS code to sign into the device in all its applications. She picks a PIN to easily unlock the device throughout her shift. Intune now ensures that all of the apps and settings Sarah needs are provisioned onto the device so it's ready to go. She starts her day in Microsoft Teams. Teams has been configured with the tools she needs for her role. She can stay on top of the latest information in her pinned channels and can easily chat with coworkers. She can keep track of her schedule, her tasks instantly, connect with walkie-talkie and stay on top of information, from corporate with Yammer communities. Sarah clocks in to start her shift. In Teams, shifts is backed by Fabricam's workforce management and time and attendance systems, so everything is connected in one easy-to-use place. Sarah can also see the tasks she's been assigned for the day. She gets started on updating the new spring display in her department. The attached planogram instructions include some props that she needs to add to the display rather than wandering around the store. In search of them, she's using Teams walkie-talkie to check with the receiving crew. They locate the items, saving her time and effort, allowing her to start on her task right away. When Sarah completes the display, she goes into Approvals where she can seek a direct approval on her task from her department manager. After assigning a title to the request, she types in details, attaches a photo, and sends it off. Sarah's department manager instantly reviews it and updates the card with an approved badge onto Sarah's next task. Later in the day, Sarah receives a comment card for the fantastic service she provided while helping a customer pick out a birthday gift. She wants to share the positive feedback with the manager on shift, but she's not sure who is working today. She types store manager and shift-aware tags, routes her message to the manager on duty. She sends a picture of the comment card. The image is stored in Teams and not on the local device, meaning it is secure and not taking up space on a shared device. And within moments, the manager on duty sends praise for a job well done. Speaking of birthday gifts, Sarah has a birthday of her own coming up, and she wants to take the day off from shifts within Teams. She can see her upcoming schedule. She can request time off, swap shifts with a coworker, and even pick up open shifts that need coverage. Sarah's request for the day off gets sent to her manager for approval, and she clocks out to end her shift. Sarah ends her day easily signing out of the device. Intune and Azure Active Directory clear all of the company data so it's safe to be handed off to the next associate. Let the birthday planning begin. Hit like or follow us for more.